Hi guys. So the plan today is to basically spray paint some of these bottles. We're finding that we're actually losing them. So quite a lot of the work goes into making them, but because they're clear and when they go up quite high altitude into the sky, and when you're looking up, they're quite difficult to follow, and we're actually losing them in houses. So Logan wanted to spray paint them, so we've got a selection of colours. Got some yellow, blue, green and red. Green's his favourite. And we're going to make up a bit of a spray painting stand today. So using, again, just some of these bottle caps, some screws, and this bench. So we've got I thought I'd better make a stand for it, because we've got quite a few bottles to spray, as you'll see over here. Macy's having a sniff around. As I said, just a few. So we've got quite a few bottles, as I said. No, the plan isn't to spray all of them, but we'll get quite a few of them done. Let's get these out of the way. So we've got 5 of them, so we'll roughly space them out evenly. One in the middle. So all we're going to do is just screw these caps straight to the bench. So that's it. That's simple. Alright, so we've got ourselves 5 bottles. Then what we're going to do is we're going to screw these into there. So that gives us again, we don't actually have to hold them. So these ones I'm actually not going to sand them. We'll see how the paint adheres to them. I think it should be fine. I don't want to have to sand them, especially with all those ribs. Test spray just for the direction. Okay. Alright, so we'll let that sit for a little bit just so they can dry. I don't want to put too much on, or else it'll start dripping. So I'd rather do it just a light coat, and then we'll come back later and do another light coat, and that should come up quite nicely. Alright, so that didn't take long. That's adhered really, really well, ready for next coat. Alright, so I think that'll do the job. Again, there's also the fins. I don't know if we'll paint those, I might leave those contrast. And then also the nose cones. So, yeah, again, I might chop one of these bottles up and use it for those parts. We'll see how we go. But, that's how you spray it. So, yeah, that's simple. That's how you spray paint. And again, when those dry, we'll just untwist them all, and then perfect and ready for the next one. Alright, so we'll take these ones off. So that came up beautiful, really good, happy with that, felt perfect. And let's get 5 more. Logan's favourite colour is green, so we'll probably do that one next. Get rid of these ones. Okay, so Logan's favourite colour, green. So, here's our finished products. Again, I don't know if I did yellow again, it's quite bright. Let's have a look at all the other colours. Okay, so there we got 20 rockets. I think they've all come up really, really good. So all we're going to do now is basically just put the fins on them, pop a nose cone on it, and that's it. But those colours look amazing. And again, when we launch them up in the sky, at least we'll be able to see them, hopefully find them. Again, we might even put the name of the rocket up the side of it. We'll see how we go. But these bottles have proven to be fantastic. These ribs in the bottle are great because then when you cut this section out and cut this section out, that section can then interlock with the fins, and then even with the nose cone, when you chop the little bottle section off and you take that off, it then intersects with the complete bottle perfectly. So that's great. So that's spray painting your rockets, getting them all ready. Until next time, see you guys.